This is Pirate King Resume, who applied in Google with this resume and got job offer from Google. In this video, I will show you how to make Pirate King Resume in Microsoft Word from the beginning step by step, how to customize it, make it more ATS friendly, plus resume tips, and make resume from this template. To this template, you can download the resume template form. Video link plus website link will be given in the description. But don't just blindly copy his resume. It's better to know how to customize your own resume and make it unique. First, open Microsoft Word, go to Layout, select Margin, select Narrow option, because this resume has a lot of information to put. Or you can select Normal option, or adjust according to your need, but make sure it looks professional. I am choosing this option, then go to Size, select A4 option, and whenever you print this format, make sure you select A4 option. You see in his resume, he had name, contact information in header option. You can do it too, like this, select header, paste and adjust, but this is not ATS friendly. Check this information. To make it ATS friendly, I am pasting it directly, making adjustment, give some twist, adjusting icon. You can download these icons from internet. Make it customized like I am doing it now, inserting new icon or copy paste. Whenever you select icon, make sure each icon is same size. For this resume, I am selecting 0.1 size. Plus, insert link in these texts. Why this LinkedIn link, GitHub link, website link, if you have, or portfolio link? From his video, as well as from my experience as recruiter, you will find average time each recruiter spend on is 6 seconds to 8 seconds. Within that time, you need to impress them or hook them to check more information about you. Whenever they find this kind of resume, it's obvious they give more time to check the resume. Because their job to find ideal candidate they are looking for, they like to give more time on qualified candidate. The more time they give in your resume, the more chance you will get to impress them. Add skills. If you don't know how to make line like this, press Shift plus hyphen, or you can draw line. Make segment like that, add bullet points like that, which called circular bullet point. Copy and paste it. Also, this is called pipe symbol. You can use it too, or you can use comma. Then adding job experience. In his resume, he uses table to write job title, company name, location, duration. You clearly see this. You can use table like that too. Insert table, write or paste, adjust it, make table outline disappear. For ATS format, I am writing like this, using space. Then add the job description. Write job experience following 3 criteria. Number 1, what you do. Number 2, how you do. Number 3, what is the impact in his resume you see in this statement. You will find that too. What he does. Led the design and development of multiple enterprise-level microservice applications of Commerce Experience Group. How he does. Using the latest technologies of Azure, CHash, Net, Cosmos DB, Azure Functions, Key Vault, and MS Graph. What is the impact? Driving $35.3 billion of revenue every year. Obviously, it's exaggerated. If he does that, he will not do job, but he is working in a team procedure which let that result. It's okay as long as you don't lie. Like I am doing in this section. What I do. Expertly tailored 100+ custom design resumes. How I do, align with job descriptions and industry standards, optimizing keywords, skill set, impact, 30% ATS visibility boost, yielding a 30% higher employer response rate, average salary increases 20% 30% during job switches, and a 30% success rate in client hirings, adding remaining job experience. Then adding education section, you can do table format or remove the table, then adding the project. If you add project, color like this to make it more unique, adding this section, you add it section like this. If you have experience plus, looking for leadership role, then other section, like award, etc. Then certification, plus interlink the topic you want to check for validity. Then adjust. If you want to adjust something,